Chickens are having a nice good wallow in their dust bath area. Every once in a while you'll catch the turkeys in there too. George and Miss Gina. Now Miss Gina disappeared the other night, and we thought she had flown out and that we had lost her, but actually she had gone down under there. We have it's screened out now, and she had she was on 2 turkey eggs and 4 chicken eggs. So she's definitely got some broody tendencies. I'm hoping that she'll start actually staying in her nesting box to do that. But the places she has chosen so far have been either in the duck coop's nesting box or under the turkey coop. So that's not going to work for us. Hello, chickens. Hello, my pretty girl. And the ducks are all foraging in here. We put some weeds down 2 days ago, and they have just been going to town and loving that to forage through. And this hose has a little leak in it, and it sprays a little water up, and they will just drill in the ground around it like for an hour at a time. They just really love doing that. Well, looks like Gina's gonna go in the duck coop to lay an egg, because she still thinks that's where they go, even though she has a nesting box exactly like it in her coop now. Silly turkey. Oh well, at least I know where to find the eggs.